Welcome back to Untitled Willys Jeep. Today's project is the horn installation. So first things first, we have to paint the horn. Now both the horn components have been painted the flat red color. Now it's time to install. So first we have to assemble the horn, which has a few components to it. First, we're gonna take the tape off from our painting. That was so paint didn't get over the screws. Put this horn together. This is the mount right here. So you put the two brass screws in, facing this direction. That's what I do. And then with the horn, it has two pre-drilled holes in it. And you just thread the screws into the horn here, and then on the back side, using a lock washer and a nut for both, just tighten them down and the nut is secure. I like to have both of these screws facing up like that, the heads, so like it looks pretty good. Now it's time for the wiring components. Two studs for electrical wiring. I'm gonna put the electrical wiring on, and then I'm gonna put a lock washer and a nut on top to secure the wire. The horn is mounted on these two holes right here, and the horn facing this direction like this, and the wiring connected to these two studs at the back here. Now it's time to install the horn. So now with the horn and the bracket facing towards the front grille, use a nut and a washer and just put them through both the holes. Now while holding the horn, put a lock washer and a nut on the back side to hold the horn in place. It's time to mount the electrical wiring. So from our last video, we installed the wiring on the fender, and I just put this wire that I have already pre-wired in for the horn. Just slips on to the stud like that, and you put a lock washer and a nut. The negative terminal of a wire that's pre-cut with two ends on them. You put the one end on the negative side. Same way with the lock washer and nut. To connect the ground wire on this horn, I would get yourself a 1/4 inch by 3/4 bolt, put it through the lead on the negative, and then get a washer, put the washer on next. This negative wire will go to this hole that's down here to ground the horn, and stick it to the hole on the fender, and then tighten up with a nut. The horn installation is now complete. It is properly mounted to the fender. It is properly wired. Next, we have to install the battery and see if it works. Be sure to stay tuned for that video.